Neo-hub maintenance. What you'll need to service your hub: smooth-jawed pliers or an axle vise, a blind bearing puller, hammer, punch, bearing press with appropriate drifts, small flat-tipped screwdriver, assembly grease, Freehub grease, T25 Torx, cassette tool, chain whip, and protective gloves. Front hub service. It is easiest to perform this procedure with the rotor removed. Begin by removing the end caps. SealLock seals ensure your end caps are held firmly in place. Tools may be required the first few times the hub is disassembled. If you are unable to remove the caps by hand, use either smooth-jawed pliers or an axle vise to remove the end caps. Check your bearings for wear. If the bearings feel loose or rough, they will need to be replaced. To remove the bearings, begin by installing a bearing puller. You can use either a slide type or punch type puller. Set aside the axle spacer for later use. Wipe your hub clean with a rag and inspect for wear. Apply a thin layer of grease to the hub shell and the outer race of the new bearing. Next, using the bearing press, press the bearings into the hub shell one at a time. Bearings should be pressed in hand tight. Over-tightening of the press can result in damage to the bearings. Don't forget to reinstall the inner axle spacer before installing the second bearing. Reinstall your end caps, making sure the SealLock seals are facing the correct direction.